these people are waiting on gas. Some of them run out of gas in line. That's what's happening right there. So everybody went on a frenzy. Everybody went on a frenzy and decided they better go fill up with gas. And if a station happens to have gas, this is the line you have to wait in, okay? Look at that. There's diesel to your right. It is actually a little bit more easier to get diesel. That's what I have. That's the line, folks. They found a gas station that has gasoline. Alright? And then the police are out there. There's another line right there coming another way. There's a line over here. That's what we have. That's what we have. Look at that line up in front of me. All them are waiting to go in also. You're fixing to see a bunch of cars. Fixing to see a bunch of cars. Alright, you see them? Check this out. Look at the line to get gasoline. Alright? Look at that. Out of gas. Alright, let me tell y'all something. There is not too many gas stations around here that have any gas at all. Very little diesel. So when they find one, man, they go to it. And I tell you what, I didn't notice the price back there, but most of them raise their price about 50 cents a gallon. Alright, is that gouging? I don't know. Is it? So, that's the effect on Hurricane Harvey for North Texas. Hashtag pray for Houston, which includes the surrounding area. Alright, y'all. I'm going to leave a link down there to two of my buddies that are down there in South Texas. They're staying home, taking care of the homestead. You can catch their videos out. This is regular people, not the news. That's what you got. That's what you get. Alright? It's poppin'. PAPATexas. See ya.